So in this video, I'm taking a quick look at the Microsoft Insights in Class Teams. So you may have already seen that inside each class team that you have, there's an Insights tab, and this gives you an overview of the engagement over the past week. So it will show you things like your average grade distribution. So any assignments you've set, you'll be able to see trends here over time. You'll be able to focus it on an individual student and see distributions or trends that might occur. There's also the status of the assignment, so you can see ones that have been missed and any other changes in those assignment statuses over time. You can also see any inactive students. This means students that aren't having any activity inside Teams. And quite a new feature is the reflect option. So if you ask the students for some reflection, for some feedback in terms of well-being, then you can see an overview of those responses here. So I can see what the keywords are, who said them, and the participation. Now there's also some global analytics in the Insights app that you can get. Now the first page of this is your own classes, which is available to everybody. You can just see a quick overview of your own classes that you teach, which again is quite good if you don't want to see an individual class. However, there is the option for senior leaders to then switch to the organization. Now this is a new paid for feature by Microsoft. It's another license that you have to purchase, but it does give you an overview of your entire tenant. So if you're a multi-academy trust district, you'll be able to see all the schools in that particular group. And I can see an overview of every school. So potentially I could compare the schools and rate them. I could see an quick overview of things like missed assignments, missed meetings, workload. So are they working during the quiet hours? Potentially that could be a well-being issue, and I could focus my attention on particular schools. I can also see reading progress as well. So if you've got primary schools or secondary schools using the reading progress tool inside Teams assignments, then that's a really good way, again, of measuring and comparing those. Now, it doesn't just have to be a comparison of individual schools. I can drill down into one of these schools and then see a comparison of the year group. So again, it's really important that you're using Microsoft School Data Sync so that all this data is available and that you can use it in Insights. But by drilling into the year group, I get an overview of each year, and again, inactive students, missed assignments, etc. And I can drill down into an individual area in here. So if I wanted to go down to year 10 missed assignments, I can go into that. And again, I can get a breakdown then by class. So average student engagement by class for that particular year group. Now I can also drill down into an individual class in here. You can see there are some historic ones on here as well, which I think Microsoft probably need to tidy up. And I can see individual student progress and engagement. So you might find some of those stats useful. You may find that it's still lacking, and Microsoft are working on improving that and getting people's feedback. What we provide as Cloud Design Box is our own analytics, and this is just for staff engagement with Teams assignments. So if you're trying to measure where to focus your CPD training, then you can get a good overview of how well the individual school's using it in the trust. So you can see sort of usage over time. I can sort it by the concept of a subject, so we can see which subject areas need that additional training. We can drill down into those subjects, see the usage over time, and drill down into an individual class team and just see what assignments were set, when they were created, and when they're due. So if you're a member of SLT and you just need a quick overview, making sure that work is being set in your department, then you can do that through this assignment tool. And as a school leader, you can always check that adoption is going well by getting a good bird's eye view across the entire school and the different departments.